Hello students. Generally I show that whenever students solve a linear equation they have a problem how to solve these equation. Now we are going to discuss on a linear equation, solution of a linear equation. What is linear equation? What is expression? In my previous video I already discussed. So if you don't know what is linear equation, so please watch my first video. Here we are talking about solution of linear equation, how to solve it. For this, first you know about transposition of sign. In an equation there are two parts, one is left hand side and another one is right hand side. If any number written in left hand side and it is in addition form, so whenever we are taking it a right hand side, we are transpose it a right hand side, then positive number will become negative, addition sign become subtraction, and subtraction sign become addition. That means in transposition condition plus and minus interchange in each other, right? If number in multiplication form, so it will change in divide, and if number in divided form, so it will change in multiplication. That means in transposition multiplication change in divide, and divide change in multiplication. I hope is it clear and is it easy also. Now major problem of student. 2x plus 5 is equals to 13 is a linear equation. Some student solve this question like that, 2x is equals to 13 minus 5, or some students solve it like x plus 5 is equals to 13. They are totally confused which number we take first from left side to right side. Some are taking 5 and some are taking 2. So which is right or which is wrong? Because only one is right, one is wrong in between them, right? So is it right or is it right? So we are discussing, because there is no specific rule in maths. We are taking plus sign first or minus sign first, or division or multiplication. So which number we take first, that is our major problem. First we listen a story. Okay, suppose you are 3 friends. In between them 2 are closer and 1 is your just friend, right? Whenever some problem is there, otherwise teacher asking about your naughtiness, then which bond is breakable easily? Obviously your friend, not your close friend or best friend, right? We can separate it easily. Similarly in maths, x having a friend and having a close friend or best friend, that means we apart friend first as compared to best friend or close friend. So we take left side to right side first friend, after that close friend or best friend. Now question is that which is best friend or which is close friend of x, because it is not a general life, it is a mathematical life. Now whenever you are study that equation, right? So you study it 2x plus 5 equals to 30. Which number you study with x? You said 2x. That means which number we read first with x, that is x best friend. So that best friend going another side in last. So who go first another side? Her ex friend. 2 is best friend, 2 is close friend. So who is friend of x? 5 is friend of x. So who was another side first? 5. 2x equals to 13 minus 5. That means in which order number are reading with x, in the same order, in the opposite order, we transpose our number. 2x 13 minus 5 is equals to 8. What is the sign between them? 2 into x, right? So multiplication, change in division. 8 by 2. So x equals to 4. I hope it is clear to you. Now we are taking another example like that. Now x by 3 plus 1 equals to 7 by 50. So first we identify which is best friend of x and which is friend of x. Of your question, we read in the manner x by 3. We read 3 first as compared to 1. X by 3 plus 1. So which number we easily take another side? Obviously 1, obviously friend. X by 3, 7 by 15 plus sign goes to another side in minus form. So it will become minus, plus change in minus. So your answer is x by 3. We take in denominator 1, our LCM is 15, 7 minus 15. X by 3, 15 minus 8. X. Now no another number is there. X by 3. We left only variable one side separately. So minus 8 divided by 15. Here 3 is in divided form, so we multiply it by 3. 3 1 is 3, 3 5 is 15. So your answer is minus 8 by 15. No. Another question is this. X plus 3 divided by 2 is equals to 5. Which number we read first with x? X plus 3. That means 3 is best friend of x. So we can't apart it. We can't apart easily, right? So which is friend of x? 2. 2 is in divide form. When we transpose a division number, so it will multiply to another side. So x plus 3 is equals to 5 into 2 x plus 3 is to 10. Now to solve a linear equation we have to left only variable one side. Here x plus 3, so x, we take 3 opposite side, 3 is in plus 1, so it will become minus 1. X is equals to minus, sorry, 10 minus only 7. That is your answer. In this manner you can solve your linear equation. You have to identify which is friend of x and which is best friend of x. Which is more close to x, we transpose that number in the last as compared to which is far to x. In 3 example we put 3 different in first multiplication form, in second division form, in third addition form. I hope you understand. Now we are taking one more example. Now you are thinking here 2x is there. So first we collect all the x one side and all the constant number to another side. So we collect all the x left side and right side. That is your choice. I am going to collect left side. Here, because we read 7x by 15, that is a best friend of x. We can't easily part them. So whole of them transport to left side. So that is in plus form. So we put minus sign because plus change in minus equals to. Now we collect all the constant another side. So plus 3 is here. Here it is a constant plus 1. Whenever we take plus to left side, it will become minus. Right? Now that is your rational number form. So we can take LCM. 3 and 15. LCM of 3 and 15. You know how to take LCM, so you can do it by your own. 15 is our LCM. 3 5 ja and 5 2 ja 10. So it is 10x minus 1 7 1 ja 7 7x. 3 minus 1 2. This implies first we solve algebra in algebra subtraction. 10x minus 7x is equals to 3x. You know na, always subtract number, not variable, right? In a like form, like and unlike already you studied in your previous class na. 50 equals to 2. Now you studied 3x by 50 equals to 2. So 3x you study together, so put it together. 2 15 is in divided form, so it will become in multiplied form. So 3x is equals to 30. Now you know whenever we are solving a linear equation, we have to left x only in the last x. 30. 3 in multiplication. 3 in here multiplication. Whenever 3 transports left side, so we divide it by 3. So x is equals to 10. That means simply and easy trick to solve linear equation. You know which sign convert in what? Plus is always converted in minus, minus is always converted in plus, multiplication is always converted in divide, and divide is always converted in multiply. And one more thing which is very important, front and best friend, yani which is pronounced with x, firstly we transpose it in the last. I hope you like my video. Thanks for watching it. Subscribe my channel, like my video if you like, so please share it. If any problem is there, you can comment. Have a good day.